We spent 4 days wandering, eating, and sipping our way through Porto. Yeah, there was port wine involved. Come along as we explore one of Portugal's most charming cities. If you're new here, we're Lenny and Peter, and we quit our jobs and sold everything to travel the world for a year. And last week, we were in Lisbon.
It's kind of hilarious. We just showed up to the bus terminal here in Porto and went to jump on the metro, but the ticket machine isn't printing tickets. We also tried to download the app and get the tickets on our phones, but we're not receiving the confirmation text message. So yeah. Looks like we're gonna walk. Bless. Ooh. Porto apartment unlocked.
This isn't the one we're supposed to do.
Oh. What the heck? Yeah, I don't see an air conditioner. Yeah, we upgraded to a different apartment, kind of last minute, to one with an air conditioner because it's been in the 90s. And this is not the right place.
Right now I'm in apartment C.
Our actual apartment. Luckily, we were able to get a hold of somebody and figure it out, and it wasn't that big of a deal. It's nice and cool in here. Ooh. Big room. Bathroom. Wow. So much bigger than the other one. Sweaty, tired, glad to be here. Big shower. This place is huge. What are we gonna do with all this space? Kitchen. Wow, kind of a weird long hallway kitchen here, but it's okay. Washing machine, thank goodness. My clothes are so sweaty. This is cute. Weird long kitchen though. And the whole setup is just a little weird. What is this corner in the living room? Oh, balcony. I forgot. Teeth trapped.
It's okay.
See it? Okay, nowhere to sit or do anything, but we have a balcony. And I get to finally take off my backpack. Hallelujah. It's wet. It's kind of gross. Don't worry about that. What?
Obviously need that.
Glizzy's in a jar. That's weird. Immediately went out to the grocery store and did some grocery shopping. Picked up dinner, breakfast, some beer and wine, and all of it was €40, which we could spend out at one meal, so not bad. And for the first time, we remembered to bring our shopping bag. I think the part I'm most excited about though, more hamon flavored chips. This time Pringles. But also, we discovered this cheese at a market in Lisbon, Sia, I don't know, but it's super soft and creamy, very good. So yeah, we're tired. We're just thinking tonight we're gonna get some rest so that tomorrow we can start fresh in Porto, bright-eyed and bushy-tailed. We've got 4 days in Porto, and today's our first full day. So we're kind of just walking around the downtown, seeing some of the main highlights, such as the cathedral here behind me.
Ooh, port wine in a chocolate cup. Drink the wine, eat the cup. It's my favorite.
Say less.
Finally checking out the alley hop. Well, now we can finally say that we went in one.
And now we know it's just full of a bunch of random crap. One of the other top things to do and see in Porto is check out the Imperial McDonald's, which is just like a bougie, fancy McDonald's, I guess. Take a look, and then we're gonna go get something good to eat, not McDonald's.
Although, I did see a rumor that some of the McDonald's have bifanas now. This might have to be investigated.
We'll see, because you know those other actual, like, good bifanas are gonna be so much better than what McDonald's can make.
That's why we get all.
True, yeah. We just went to Conga, which is behind me here, which is like the top bifana place in Porto, and they do it their own way. It's like bifana's de Conga or something. They have their special piri-piri sauce. I thought it was very good. The meat was like super thin and tender, more so than the ones we had in Lisbon, but I like the flavor of the place in Lisbon better.
And Lenny wouldn't care about this, but I don't think they do the mustard in Porto. I think that's just a Lisbon thing. I missed it. It was good. But this place was delicious. I could eat 5 more. 5.
Another cool market. Got ourselves some fruit juice, dragon fruit and coconut. How is it?
Very light. Very coconutty. I like it.
Oh yeah, not too sweet. Yum.
You can stare at the stars at night. You can tell me anything you like.
Next stop on our walking tour, the Chapel of Souls, which, as you can see, is covered in beautifully painted blue and white ceramic, and was one of the things I was most excited to see here in Porto. And I got a hat. How do you like it? We're trying another top pasta de nata place here in Porto, which is Fabrica de Nata. I guess they have locations in Lisbon as well, but we missed it, so here we are. What happened? It's already gone.
Somebody stole it. Somebody came by and took it. I didn't even get to have any of it.
I guess you liked it.
Might be my favorite of the pastry dough. It was very good.
Very good. I think I prefer Mantecaria, but this is very close. The crispy dough and delicious custard just right. We also got our first taste of port. That was my first sip, by the way, and better than I remembered when I've had it like 10 years ago. Not my favorite still.
Well, we walked all the way to a spot that Lenny wanted to try for food. It's closed for the holidays. And what day did we get here, Lenny?
July 6th.
Great timing by us.
I can see your face, but I can't see me alone.
We're on the Luís Bridge, which is one of the best ways to get the best views of Porto. The mission of today's venture, besides exploring more of Porto and seeing these amazing views, is actually to head to the other side of the river, which is where all of the port wineries are. Yes, we're gonna go port wine tasting today.
Now let's be honest. Should've left, should've left, should've left, should've left long ago. I don't know what to write, 'cause I don't know.
See those boats? Oh, you can see that they've got barrels on them. Apparently, those are the traditional boats that they used to use to bring barrels of port from the vineyards upriver down to Porto, where then it'd be sold and shipped off to the rest of the world. Neat! I don't think those barrels are full of anything now.
Should we check?
We should check.
Let's go!
She doesn't even know how to swim.
I do. Now that we've drank almost all of the wine, we're at Sandman and we decided to do a tasting of the classics. I don't remember all of the details that we learned
white port, we have ruby port, we have tawny port, and then we have 10-year tawny port.
Which we bought that separately because we liked the tawny so much. We were like, let's try that 10-year.
It goes up to 50-year, but I didn't want to pay €25 for 50.
And as much as we would love to do a proper tour, that's €22 a person. We got this classic tasting for €13, and then this was 8. So, and we got a ton of information from Tiago. So we had tried port in the past and never liked it, to be honest. But we're like, we're in Porto, we have to try port. It's really good. Like, they're all really good, but especially the tawny and especially the 10-year.
Should have done the 50-year. Who's in charge of these finances?
If we weren't on a budget, I'd be buying a bottle and sending it home or drinking it tonight. They're doing a tour now. We can get free lessons.
The citrus fruit. I have no idea what this is.
We were told to try it. It tastes a little fishy.
We'll have to Google what this is.
So what did we just eat?
Apparently it's a Portuguese dish made from a mixture of potatoes, eggs, parsley, onion, and codfish.
There it is.
And then we added extra cheese.
That was the only good part.
Also commonly referred to as salt cod fritters.
Salt cod fritters. Yum. Now we're at Taylor's, which is like one of the other top places to try. So we had to compare. This is the 10-year tawny from Taylor's. I like the other one better. This one's not bad. Still better than other port I've had in the past, but that Sandman's one was just so smooth.
Lenny, where's your hat? I knew that port was fortified wine, but I didn't necessarily know that it's called port because it comes from Porto, Portugal. I have a very controversial thought.
Already.
It smells like Chef Boyardee.
You're never allowed back in Porto.
No, never.
So we got a couple of the things you are supposed to, you have to try when you're in Porto. I'm not going to try to pronounce them, but this sandwich that has,
Francesca something. 3 different kinds of meat.
I'll let you explain that one.
Bread, wrapped in cheese, smothered in secret sauce with an egg on top. What's not to love?
He's been looking forward to this for so long. And then we've got like a spicy hot dog sandwich. Oh my god, it's like such a mess.
It's pretty good.
Really? Doesn't just taste like Chef Boyardee?
It does not just taste like Chef Boyardee. A little bit, but
it's good. It's actually, I didn't think I would like this thing. It is good. I'll mostly be eating the hot dog though. Peter will mostly be eating that.
darn.
Let's try this again. Wish us luck. Update, we got it to work. Huzzah. We are taking the metro in Porto. It's not working. Oh, because I did the wrong area.
It's our last day here in Porto and in Portugal, so we have to do the one thing that we haven't done yet. Get some grilled sardines.
Get some seafood,
Specifically seafood, yes. So in order to do that, we've taken the train all the way to the coast. I don't know the name of the town.
Matosinhos? I already forgot. But it's like, was highly recommended online and by a local as the spot to go for fresh seafood. Like a 30-minute train ride away. and we're headed to a restaurant Peter found some great reviews on. We're in, and we've got some Portuguese white wine, we've got clams, and coming yet, grilled sardines. Very excited. Hot take, I liked our clams in Lisbon better, but these are very good, so don't get me wrong. And then the grilled sardines, the crispy skin, delish. We got one of their top dishes, creme brulee. I'm not saying no to creme brulee, and espresso.
So lunch was definitely good. It felt like it was more so you're coming out here for the fresh seafood, which you were, and it was
Super
delicious.
fresh, super good, but sometimes I like my fish to taste like butter and garlic. What can I say?
Still very good. I'm glad that I got my grilled sardines. If you're looking for fresh seafood that tastes like the ocean, tastes like delicious,
Fresh off the boat.
fresh off the boat, definitely worth coming out here. Train babbies! In case you still didn't know, our mission was a success.
We got seafood.
Delicious seafood. Now, we're gonna head back because we have to wake up at 3 tomorrow, catch a flight.
We're leaving Portugal.
Aww, boo.
Kind of want one last pasta de nata, but I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. We've had a lot of them. Last pasta de nata in Portugal. One more Mantajaria for the road. We are at the airport, at the lounge in Porto. Got my very last pasta de nata, which did not live up to the ones we've had in town. But you know what? Better than I expected for an airport lounge pastry. This brings us to the end of our time in Porto and Portugal.
Up next, we got Poland. This is one of the places that I'm most excited for, and it should be a blast.
So make sure to subscribe if you want to see that next, and thanks for watching. Ciao!
I'll swim over there.
Look at that, it's bussin'.
Dump, 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 dump.
Gross.
Dump, dump.
You took it from yummy to gross.
Wow. Ooh, we're in the world of wine. Obviously, this fountain is wine, right? Ugh, it's just water. With friends like these, who needs anemones?
That's gross. No one wants to see that. We gotta stop that.